Hey everyone, I just want to show you a few cool things you can do on a Linux machine. If you ever have the ability at work to jump onto a Linux machine, this is a good way to kill time, or at least keep things light if you're doing something a bit intensive. Um, so I wanted to show you, the first thing without saying would be to install ascii. So if you just go ahead and type into the terminal on your Linux machine, I'm using a virtual box here myself. So in the terminal, I'm just going to size that real nice. Oh, and please excuse my unactivated version of Windows there as well. So we go ahead and type sudo apt-get install ascii. It's one of the most famous ones. You can see here for me it's already installed, but for you it'll run a different process. So ascii and whatever you want him to say. So there are a few other options. I think there's an E option to make him have different eyes. Oh, maybe it was a capital. Yeah, so it hasn't changed on this one, but what you can do in this case is just go for the help option, dash dash help, and you can see some other options there. So now the next thing to get, I'd say, is definitely check out Moonbuggy. And I've completely missed out everything here, but again we'll want to run sudo apt-get install Moonbuggy. Again, this is already installed for me, but once it's installed, go ahead and just type Moonbuggy. I just use the tab there to auto-complete my writing. And it's space for jump, it's the letter A for shoot, but the downside is, I don't know if you can see on my score down there, but if you shoot, that will use your score points. And the aim is to jump above the craters, so that's always a bit of fun. There is another thing, let me just double check myself here, and I think it's C matrix, yeah, C matrix, and it should just be a case of installing third C matrix root. Yeah, it should just be a case of installing apt-get install. It might be case sensitive. Okay. For some reason this one doesn't want to work. I did try it earlier. Oh, okay, it's working this time. Lovely. Okay, so C matrix. And you can show off that to all your friends and make you look really cool. The sizing and graphics is quite impressive if you use it on different types of computers, different screens and resolutions. So that's always fun. It's always nice just to set up an alias for something like that, so that you can just set it up to be matrix instead of C matrix. So this should be correct. So now if I type in matrix, there we go. You can do the same for Moonbuggy as well if you wish to. So if I just go for moon, which is equal to Moonbuggy. There we go. So now I'll just type moon. Have in mind this alias I've just set up isn't a permanent one. This is just going to be a temporary one for this shell. So if I type bash, I think it might not work. Yeah, so you can see it doesn't remember it because it's a different shell. But yeah, it's just a bit of fun. Let me see what else we have. There's one thing for certain which I would strongly recommend trying out, which is telehack.com. So you can telnet to it. And the best thing about telehack.com is it's a server with an SSH server as well. So once you log in and create an account, you can additionally log in with SSH. So you can see here it'll greet me with a nice little login page. And this is a really interesting retro game you can log into. If you use Finger, you can see which users are online currently. So we can see there's a long string of people. There's a few people in the relay, which is the chat room on here. I'm going to exit out myself and SSH Jekyll's. Oh, you have to excuse me. Yeah, I have a different keyboard here for myself, so the keys are a little bit off. That should be correct. That's a yes. And lovely. Okay. So from here, there's a few fun games you can play as well. So if I just go ahead and let's just search for what executables there are on here. We have a few things, but those won't be games. So for games, we'll do the .bash. So we can see there's a few things. Some of them are text-based adventure games. Things like Lem is more of a calculating thing for a lunar spaceship, which kind of bores me personally. But you can earn many badges on here for unlocking retro hacks and completing games, and for being a long-term user. Those various other things. This is my personal badge here, you can see. And I've unlocked some badges for being logged in for 1,000 days, or unlocking Zero Cool, which is based off the war game. Oh no, sorry, excuse me. It's based off the Hackers movie, and the list goes on. It's good fun. But yeah, there's just a few things. If you're ever stuck in your house, bored, or even at work, it's something you can kill time with. The good thing about this is it's not like you're directly browsing a gaming website, so you could probably get away with this a lot at work. In all honesty, I've done that a little bit myself. If you can enable Telnet on your Windows machine, you could do it. Or even you could just download PuTTY onto a Windows machine, and that wouldn't be troublesome at all. In fact, I've actually set up SSH servers for friends by connecting with PuTTY or Kitty. So yeah, that's some fun. Have fun, guys, and thanks for watching.